Hey guys, it seems like every day I read an article or meet with a family and it just furthers what I've been saying for years. The majority of Americans are not saving enough for retirement. But what the articles fail to mention is the number one obstacle for their savings is debt, paying interest and fees to the banks and financial institutions. The average family is funneling away over a third of their income to interest and fees. You can look at it as a headwind, and they're not making any progress because they don't have a tailwind. So if this sounds like you, and I've certainly been there, then you'll want to join us for a live webinar, and we'll show you exactly how you can transform your debt into wealth. It's this Thursday. Be sure to click the link and register below. Seating is limited. I hope to see you on this Infinite Banking webinar, and we'll show you how to transfer and transform your debt into wealth. I'll look for you there.